In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace your front bumper on your Ford Focus. It's located on the front. Remove your plastic grommets. There's 4 of them. Set it aside. Remove these. There's one on each side. Using a T30, remove your Torx bit bolts. Remove your other 2. And then set these aside. You're going to remove this. To do that, you're going to want to get a trim tool underneath. And pry it out. Next, you're going to remove your engine shield under here, as is missing. Remove your 3 in the back. 1, 2, 3 retainers. And then go to your front and remove 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Using a T30 Torx bit socket, remove your Torx bit screws. Remove your fasteners underneath. That one's missing. Do the same on the other side. Remove this lower plastic shield. Using a 19mm socket, we're going to remove our wheel. All right, we're inside the wheel well now. We're going to take out our Torx bit screws. Remove this one. And this one. Using a trim tool, remove this plastic grommet. Do the same on the other side. Using a T30, remove this screw. Do the same on the other side. Using a T30, we're going to remove the headlight assembly. Now you're just going to pull this out and disconnect your connector. You can either push down on this tab or use a screwdriver and push down and then remove your connector. Now you can set your headlight assembly off to the side and do the same on the other side. Now we're going to get a good grip on the side here and pull it out. Do the same on the other side. Now stick a trim tool in there and unpop this little plastic piece. Could be a little tough to do. And then yank it and do the same on the other side. Now you can remove the whole thing. You'll probably have a few connectors you have to disconnect. This connector next to the fog light here, you're going to disconnect as well. And then once you do that, you should be able to remove the bumper cover and put it aside. Now you can remove this and set it off to the side. Install your front bumper by lining it up first with as many bolt holes as you can right here. And then we're going to go to the side and line up this area into this area. When you're putting the bumper on, make sure you put this locking tab into its lock. Then you can snap this in. You're going to push down and in. You're going to start your silver bolt. There's several fasteners for this area. We're going to start our silver bolt here. Next, we're going to put our other Torx bit bolt. There's two of them, one here and one here. These are black. Put another one of those bolts in this top area. And you can tighten those down. Put a push pin here, put a bolt here, and then you're going to do the same on the other side. Now we're going to install our rubber gasket here. To do that, you're just going to push in the plastic grommets. And where the X marks are, make sure you push in on that too. Those little X's. Make sure you connect your connector before installing your headlight. Make sure you hear that click, and then slide your headlight into place. You should have one bolt that goes here and one bolt that goes here. Use your silver bolts to go here. And one here. Start them by hand and then tighten them down. Do the same on the other side. Now you're going to insert into its housing and push down. Put your push pin in here and lock it in. Put your bolt in. Start it by hand. Put your bolt in here. Start it by hand. And one more at the bottom. Now we're going to tighten them all down. Put a push pin here. Lock it in. Do the same on the other side. Connect your connector underneath for your fog lights. After you do that, you're going to want to slide it back into this bracket. It's like a push pin with a slide-on bracket. Install your splash shield. Line up these two holes first, and then work your way around. Start your screws by hand. There's two here. I'm under the driver's side. Tighten them up. Do the same on the other side. One goes here, here, and here. There's some push pins that belong around the perimeter. Ours are all missing, so we're going to have to replace ours. Just do the best you can and put them back. And just follow the perimeter and do the same thing. There is another shield around here that covers up all of this. Just follow your red push pins that are around the perimeter and reattach it. Put your wheel back on. And start your lug nuts. Start with your bottom one, walk the wheel on. Using a 19mm socket, we're going to torque our wheels to 100 foot-pounds. We're going to do that in a star-like pattern. Do the same on the other side.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.